cornflake demo. Hello my YouTubers and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Yes, they are back. The cornflake demos are coming back. And to start with, we're going to be using my 1993 Hoover turbopower 2 U2464. Good machine. There's only a few videos of this machine. I've still yet to do a full flat demo and a sofa demo. Yes, that's right, sofa demos are also coming back, guys, but for today it is of course the cornflake demo. So let's get on with that now. This is my new vac-mat. As you can see, 4 famous vacuum cleaner makes on it. Basically my 4 favourite. So you've got Hoover, Kirby, the old logo, Pneumatic and Dyson. So basically this was made for my new vac room, which is coming this year. It's like a little museum that I'm making for my vacuum cleaners, and this is going to be on the floor, which is going to look cool. So we're going to use this for my demos, cornflake demos, mess tests and stuff like that. For anybody that think that it's copyright, it is not. I've looked into the law about this and I'm basically advertising. So let's pour some cornflakes on this. Look at that. Oh, it's quite a lot there really, isn't there? So yeah, I had this made from a company for me, and it's basically what you would get at a shop. It's basically a shop mat, which has got, it's oil resistant and it's slip resistant, and basically it will live for 5 to 7 years with 1,000 footsteps trundling on it every single day from a shop. It was quite expensive, it weren't cheap, and you know, we had it made to my specification. Okay, so first we're going to pass the vacuum cleaner over it, and then we'll use the hose, pour some more down. So here we go. Okay, so it did a good job, but it did a lot of scattering. I noticed it did do a lot of scattering, but it did eventually pick it up. Good machine, but the scattering, yeah, it failed basically. Okay, so now we're going to put some more cornflakes down because we're going to test the hose. That's enough, I think. We're going to test the hose power and see what this machine can do. Here we go. go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. So the turbopower U2464 did a better job at the hose than it did of the floor brush, because with the floor brush it just scattered. It basically chucked it all out the back. But the hose, even though it did it quite slowly, it still sucked them all up, and it did a good job cleaning my vac-mat up. So yes, it's a pass with the hose, but a fail with the floor, with the head, which is a shame really, because turbopower 2's, in my opinion, when the turbopower 2 came out, it was the most solid of the Hoover machines of the 90s. I think they are really good machines, especially if you get the right one and a good one. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.